How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Now, in this video, I'm talking about smooth low portion coin. SLP coin with surprise changes over in the SLP. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update video, guys. So now at this time, if we talk about the right now price of SLP smooth low portion 0.07066 USD dollar, that is right now price of SLP. And furthermore, if we study the changes, guys, now I think that's good news, that is surprise news for all SLP coin holders, because the changes of SLP after a long time, I found SLP changes as positive, guys. And I hope, guys, that for a long time SLP will continue this pump, guys. So very congrats to all SLP coin holders. And as I predicated that there is a more possibilities that in the 1st October, in the beginning of October, the SLP price, smooth low portion price, will highly pump, guys. So same like that. Now again, I recommend for you to please hold, never decide to sell, guys. And here you can see, here if we talk about the trading volume is going positive. Free diluted market cap is also going positive. Market cap is also positive, guys. So whole update occur in the smooth low portion is now going positive, and I believe, guys, that possibilities that for a long time smooth low portion price will become high, guys. Anyways, what do you think? What is your prediction about smooth low portion? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.